Friends, I'm here with a quick wig wearing tip for you. If you are struggling with wigs and you just can't seem to bring yourself to leave the house with a wig on because to you it looks so fake and you're afraid everybody is going to know, I know I say this all the time, but style your wig. Use accessories and style your wig like you would have your bio hair. I can't tell you how much of a confidence booster it is to put accessories in your wigs and wear them just like they're your bio hair. And it doesn't have to be a long wig. This wig that I have on right now is not a long wig. As a matter of fact, many of you might look at this one and think, there's no way you could wear that one in a ponytail. Well, if you don't mind a messy ponytail with some hair spilling out, you absolutely can wear shorter wigs in ponytails. And I just love the look of a headband with a wig like this because I don't know where I put my ponytail holder. I think it is one of the things that we struggle with the most, the very top of our wigs. We're so worried that people are going to know we have a wig on. So throwing just a simple cloth covered headband, it can be any headband, on top is going to make a huge difference. I promise. Look below for more.